In the box, you will find your CPR uni pads, a battery pack, your AED3 administrator's guide, supporting documentation, and your AED3. So what we will do is set aside the administrator's guide and supporting documentation for review later. Unpackage your ZOLL AED3. We're going to install the uni pads first. Please note you have your expiration date here as well as on the pads themselves. These will plug into the face of the AED. Press firmly to ensure proper installation of the electrode pads. Okay, then we will unpackage the battery. So we have the battery serial number here and the battery install before date here. Once the batteries have been installed in the AED, they will last about 5 years unless you have the Wi-Fi communications established. In that case, please contact us and we can give you some more information on your AED. So we'll go ahead and install this battery pack. Note your AED serial number is located by the barcode and begins with the letters A and X. When we install that battery pack, it will begin a battery insertion test, which we'll let run here. You can remove this little protective cover while we're at it. Allow the AED to go through its test.
Unit OK.
And that's what we want to hear, the unit OK prompt. It will power down. You should see a green check mark in the status indication window. We can turn the AED around here, place the electrode pads into this little cubby. There you can see the expiration date of your pads easily. And you are ready to place your AED into service.